Ever feel like your home could use a little extra magic? From smart gadgets to life-changing furniture, I've got 18 incredible products that'll take your living space to the next level. Whether you're decluttering, upgrading, or just looking for some fresh ideas, these must-haves will blow your mind, and they're all just a click away. Let's jump in. Tired of losing remotes and gadgets in your couch? Meet the Joywell Armchair Caddy. With 6 pockets made of durable 500 GSM linen fabric, it's perfect for organizing remotes, tablets, magazines, and more. Designed to fit any armrest or even hang by your bed or wall, it's a functional, stylish way to keep your essentials handy while protecting your furniture from scratches. Easy to install, machine washable, and built to last, this caddy makes life more convenient. Streamline your entryway with the VASAGLE 4-in-1 Hall Tree. This multitasking marvel combines a coat rack, shoe bench, hanging rod, and shoe storage in one sleek design. With 9 removable hooks and a sturdy hanging rod, it's perfect for jackets, scarves, and umbrellas. The steel frame and quality particle board support up to 198 pounds, offering stability and peace of mind. Stylish, practical, and easy to assemble, this hall tree is the perfect solution for organizing your entryway clutter. Upgrade your home security with the Yamiry Smart Door Handle Lock. Unlock your door your way with 6 options: fingerprint, app, passcode, key fobs, traditional keys, and Alexa Wi-Fi gateway required. Installation is a breeze, just 10 minutes with a screwdriver, no drilling needed. Manage access remotely via the app, perfect for families, Airbnb hosts, and landlords. Control multiple locks, generate passcodes, and track entries, all from your phone. Convenience, security, and modern design in one smart lock solution. Looking for a compact yet stylish way to organize your books and more? The Yamiry Tree Bookshelf has you covered. With a unique modern vintage design, it features 6 shelves that hold 5 to 10 books each, perfect for tight spaces like corners or small rooms. Built with sturdy materials, a reinforced backboard, and anti-tip straps for safety, it's both durable and secure. Easy to assemble with included instructions and tools, it's a practical, decorative solution for your living room, bedroom, or home office. Looking for a sleek, space-saving futon? The DHP Aiden metal futon frame offers modern, low-seating design and 3-in-1 functionality, easily switching between a sofa, lounger, and full-size bed. Built with a sturdy metal frame for durability and retainer clips to keep the mattress in place. Mattress sold separately, it's perfect for versatile living spaces. With easy assembly and a 600-pound weight limit, it's as practical as it is stylish. Dimensions: sofa 7,5 mm by 29 earth, bed 7 to 10 Tired of messy cables or worrying about pets chewing through wires? The Ajeep Tech White Cable Sleeve Cover is your solution. This 2-pack, each 5 feet long, features a self-closing design, perfect for bundling and organizing cords at home or in the office. Made from flame-retardant, pet-safe materials, it protects cables while keeping kids and pets safe. With its cut-to-fit flexibility, it's ideal for corners and a variety of setups. Say goodbye to clutter and hello to tidy, chew-proof cable management. Doing laundry on the go just got easier with this portable washing machine. With a 15-liter capacity and a foldable design, it's perfect for apartments, dorms, travel, and camping. Choose from 3 cleaning modes for a quick rinse or a deeper wash. The removable spin-dry basket helps drain water efficiently after washing. Made with TPE and food-grade silicone, it's lightweight, safe, and compact enough to store under your bed or between shelves. Convenience meets cleanliness in this mini washer. Keep your space clean and modern with the Elfico automatic motion sensor trash can. This 2-gallon slimline bin is perfect for bathrooms, bedrooms, or kitchens, with smart motion sensing technology for hands-free use. Its stylish, wave-stripe design is space-efficient and features IPX5 waterproofing for durability in humid environments. A trash bag fix ring keeps liners secure and hidden, while custom-fit bags ensure no slips or rips. Powered by 2 AA batteries, not included, this compact trash can is as functional as it is sleek. Say hello to a tidier closet with the Morolf Pants Hangers space-saving 2-pack. These premium European beechwood hangers boast a durable 5-tier design, non-slip coating, and patented 360-degree swivel hooks for effortless loading. Perfect for organizing pants, scarves, skirts, and more. They save space while keeping items secure and wrinkle-free. Transform your wardrobe into a clutter-free haven with this multifunctional solution, backed by Moralvy's no-questions-asked warranty for peace of mind. Clean, simple, and efficient. Elevate your closet game today. Tackle tasks safely and conveniently with the HB Tower 3-step ladder. This folding step stool features wide anti-slip pedals, a secure handrail, and a sturdy steel frame with a locking safety buckle for enhanced stability. Its lightweight design and slim 1.6-inch folded profile make it easy to store and transport. Rubber feet ensure firm footing and protect floors from scratches. Fully assembled and ready to use indoors or outdoors, it's your go-to solution for reliable support in any situation. Transform your space effortlessly with this extendable dining table, convertible 2-in-1 shelf. Designed for small spaces, it shifts between a dining table for 4 and a 5-tier storage shelf. Crafted from premium mahogany wood with a robust metal frame, it ensures stability and style with an industrial rustic vibe. Its compact, space-saving design makes it ideal for kitchens, dining rooms, or apartments. Easy to assemble in just 10 minutes, this versatile piece keeps your living area functional and organized. Keep an eye on everything with the Wyze CamPan V3. This indoor-outdoor security camera features 1080p HD resolution and a 360-degree pan-tilt zoom to capture every angle. Its motion tracking technology follows movement automatically, while vivid color night vision keeps you covered even in the dark. Built for quiet operation, it's perfect for monitoring pets, babies, or outdoor areas, with an optional outdoor adapter. Compatible with Alexa and Google Assistant, it's a smart, seamless way to enhance your home security. Take control of your outdoor spaces with the Flowtron Electric Bug Zapper. Featuring a powerful 15-watt UV light and an octanol attractant, this device lures and zaps flies, mosquitoes, moths, and more across a half-acre radius. Its 5600-volt non-clogging kill grid ensures bugs are eliminated instantly. Maintenance-free and safe for families and pets, it operates without messy sprays or pesticides. Built with durable weatherproof ABS housing, this USA-made, UL-certified zapper is your ultimate outdoor pest control solution, perfect for year-round use. Keep your floors spotless with the Mexeris Spray Mop. Designed for efficiency, this mop features a leak-proof refillable 410ml spray bottle and a responsive trigger for even water mist. Use it wet or dry to tackle dust, dirt, and stains on hardwood, laminate, tiles, and more. Its sturdy aluminum pole, 360-degree rotating head, and washable microfiber pads ensure durability and easy reach into tight spots. Bonus, a TPR scrubber for cleaning pads and stubborn messes. Simplify your cleaning routine with Mexeris. Save space and add style with the Queen Murphy Bed Hardware Kit. This DIY kit includes professional-grade hardware like gas pistons and a patented pivot system for easy setup. With detailed instructions, video guides, and a lifetime hardware warranty, you can build a functional, space-saving Murphy bed in a weekend. Perfect for guest rooms, this vertical queen-sized wall bed requires basic tools, lumber, and a standard queen mattress, not included. Made in the USA, with top-rated customer support to assist every step of the way. Stay organized and charged with the Hooger nightstand with charging station. Featuring 2 fabric drawers, an open shelf, and a built-in charger with AC outlets, USB and Type-C ports, this nightstand is both functional and stylish. The robust steel frame, P2 particle board, and adjustable feet ensure stability and durability. Perfect for bedrooms, living rooms, or small apartments, it offers hassle-free assembly with included tools and instructions. Streamline your space with this sleek and versatile bedside table. Bring life to your home with the smart flowerpot Ivy. Powered by AI, Ivy features 49+ animations, gesture interactions, and a personality that grows with you. Acting like an electronic pet, this flowerpot brings warmth and companionship, offering a unique twist to indoor decor. Its waterproof, lightweight design ensures easy handling, while the built-in battery provides 48-hour monitoring during outages. With app connectivity and OTA updates, Ivy evolves to support various plants, a perfect gift to revolutionize gardening and delight plant lovers. This is the iRobot Roomba Robot Vacuum and Mop Combo Y0140, your ultimate cleaning companion. Featuring a 4-stage cleaning system, it vacuums and mops simultaneously, with smart navigation for neat, methodical rows. Its edge cleaning brush tackles corners, while sensors avoid obstacles and stairs. Easy to set up and control via the iRobot Home app, it offers scheduled cleanings and detailed clean map reports. With a 120-minute runtime, self-charging capabilities, and a washable mop pad, it's designed to simplify and elevate your cleaning routine. Works seamlessly with Alexa for added convenience. That wraps up our list of 18 amazing home gadgets and furniture upgrades. Which one was your favorite? Let me know in the comments below. And if you're ready to transform your living space, all the links are in the description for easy access. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you don't miss out on more awesome finds. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.